In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the official Suno app to create and manage your music. If you're just getting started, the first thing you'll want to do is download the official Suno app from your mobile app store. Make sure you choose the official version so you have access to the correct features and the most up-to-date experience. Once the app is installed, open it and log into your account. If you already have an account, simply enter your details and continue. If not, follow the on-screen instructions to sign in or create access as needed. Taking a moment to log in properly is important because it allows your creations and activity to be saved and synced inside the app. After you're signed in, head to the Create tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where the main creative process happens. In this section, you can write prompts to describe the kind of music you want to generate. Try to be clear with your wording so the app has a better sense of the style, mood, or idea you want to explore. For example, you might describe a genre, the energy level, or the type of atmosphere you're aiming for. The more intentional your prompt is, the easier it becomes to shape results that feel closer to your vision. You can also use the Create tab to upload audio clips instead of starting only with text. This is useful if you already have a sound, melody, or recording that you want to build from. Uploading an audio clip can help guide the direction of your generated track and make the process feel more personalized. Whether you begin with a written prompt or an audio file, this tab is your main workspace for starting new creations. Once your tracks have been generated, go to the Library tab to listen to and manage them. This is where all of your created tracks are organized, making it easier to review what you've made. Spend some time listening carefully so you can decide which versions you like best. The Library tab is also helpful for keeping everything in one place, especially if you plan to create multiple tracks over time. As you continue using the app, moving between Create and Library will become a simple workflow. Create in one place, then review and manage in the other.